Today on Sonia's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, I'm going to show you my recipe for sweet and spicy chili. Let's do this. I'm just going to start off right here with, I have about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to add some corn to give my, to kind of help brand my chili. And then I have a little bit of salt. In this container here, I have red pepper and I have paprika. I just wanted to combine those in two. I have a little bit of ground oregano. This is corn masa. I have my onions that we are going to cook ahead of time. I have molasses. This is some thick molasses. And of course, Sonia's sweet and spicy sweet candy pickle jalapeno peppers. I have my fire roasted tomatoes. And of course, I have my just one small can of tomato sauce. So what I've also got in my pot is some olive oil, which I'm going to go ahead and cook in saute mode on my Instant Pot. I'm going to add my onions and my garlic. All right, so I've turned this on to the saute mode by just hitting saute, and I'm going to add my garlic. And I have about, oh gosh, how much do I have in here? I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions. I'm going to go ahead and just start adding in my ground beef. Just going to go ahead and put that all in here. And we're going to just get this so that it's nice and brown. I'm getting the flavors of all the onions in here. So I end up using just a flat bamboo spatula. I'm going to add in one of the jars of the fire roasted tomatoes, and I'm actually going to turn this off right now. Now I'm going to add the second jar of, and this is the Hunt's fire roasted, and then I have my sauce, and I'm going to just pour that all in there. And I'm adding in this really great, the Bush's Grillin beans, and this is my favorite. I'm going to mix this up really, really well. I want to get everything just completely combined. I'm going to add my molasses, the chili powder. So I have my, I have paprika and I have some red pepper powder that I'm going to add in there too. And I do add a little bit of oregano. I'm going to add some of my Sonya sweet and spicy, of course. We're going to go ahead and add that. Then I have my golden corn because we're 49er fans here. I'm going to go on to manual. I've got it at 4 minutes. There we go. I'm going to just stir this all up because you got to stir it up. Don't look at all the juice on top and think, what happened? No, look at this. I'm going to add in some shredded cheese. I'm going to add a dollop of my sour cream. Look at this. This is, so excited. I guess I'll use a spoon, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see how it turned out. So amazing. My favorite thing. Happy food dance. Big time happy food dance. Have a great one, everyone. Take care. Bye.